my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then when I got back and told my stupid heart, too late, already on my way. It's been
Tell me your cats are spoiled. Without telling me your cats are spoiled, I'll start.
Bees had been living in this washing machine and I was called to remove them. So I carefully lifted the lid, and I found a beautiful hive full of honey and very gentle bees. When I looked inside, I saw layer after layer of fresh honeycomb. The bees had worked so hard to build this hive, and I wanted to do everything I could to preserve it for them.
Something tells me that this cat is going to be very accepting of my peace offering.
Want some? Yeah. There you go.
This is Allie, and she might possibly be the fattest cat in the world.
Okay, I'm dumping you out. Oh, God. Jesus, Murphy. No. Well, at least she's doing some crunches.
This is Allie's first grooming, and boy does she need it.
Ma'am, you need a diet. I don't think you're gonna fit in this thing. Okay, kitty kitty. Nope. Nope. I can't even scoop the water. There's no room.
At this point, I'm really going to need to invest in a larger kitty bath.
You're a stinky feline. Oh, is there a bunch of poop? Ew, look at its butt. I'm sorry, kitty, but you have to stay because this is some nasty stuff here.
Being so obese, Allie cannot clean herself properly, especially in her back end, so she needed some assistance.
Hi, kitty. You really needed this. You were quite nasty. You look like a sumo wrestler.
Most pets look smaller when wet, but Allie, on the other hand, looks like a flubbery seal pup.
You need a diet.
I shaved off her stage 5 clingers, and then I blow-dried her. While most cats tend to run away from the dryer, I don't believe that Allie knows what running is. In order to appreciate Allie's circumference, you must view her from the angle on my lap. It was at this moment that I realized her true calico orb of a fupa.
Not having it?
No, it's not happening.
Okay, cut it off.
Look at that.
So much hair.
I de-shed her with the EquiGroomer de-shedding brush, and I'm going to assume that due to Allie's lack of self-grooming, she was shedding several years' worth of fur today. I sprayed her down in bubblegum cologne, which is safe for cats, and then I ended our session with another peace offering. I know Allie is feeling like a whole new woman. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the abundant Allie.
Goodbye. Hey!
Никогда не грусти, если даже беда. Улыбнись и скажи, это все ерунда. Пусть за раз уйдут все ненастья, обретем с тобой оба счастье. Улыбайся ты почаще, чтобы жизнь наша стала ярче.
sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I
Here comes the
Boy! Hello, boy! Welcome! Here he comes! There he is! Here comes the boy! Welcome! There he goes! Here he comes! There he is! Welcome, boy! Here's the boy!
No puedes estar aquí conviviendo normal. Está mal, es correcto, chino.
Thunderstorming out there. We have to be quick and efficient. Keep our composure, okay? Excuse me. Hey, focus. All right? Listen. We're just going outside to potty. Nope. There's no biting. There's no playing. We just go quickly, and then we get back in dry. No wet dogs. Okay, quickly. Jesus. Nope. Don't look at me. Do your thing. Pee, 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 pee. Let's go. Let's go. What are we doing? No. Are we serious? No! Why are we in this puddle? Get out the puddle. This is my nightmare. Are we serious? This is not thunderstorm Zoomy time. Part of quickly and efficiently, did we not understand? But no one's peed, no one's pooped. Come on, number one, number two, make it happen. What is this? Are you kidding me? There's no time to roll around, soldier. You wouldn't be wet if you just pee and poop. Thank you. Hey, about time. How do you think that went? Huh? Yeah, not well, right?
Whoa, looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa, swinging side to side and I'm killing that. Whoa.
Can you calm down?
Como acabar com a raça do cachorro? A cliente estava na dúvida, daí ela disse:
Ô moço, tira só as pontinhas.
Aí eu fui lá, tirei só as pontinhas. Aí no meio do processo a mulher me liga desesperada, falando: rapa tudo, que eu não aguento mais esse cachorro com pelo. Meu marido falou que se eu não diminuir o pelo desse cachorro, ele vai me largar. Aí como eu não gosto de causar discórdia na vida dos outros, né, eu fiz o que a cliente pediu, mas sem rapar o cachorro inteiro, né. Aqui cada banho é um fresh. Depois do banho pronto eu começo os acabamentos. Aqui é onde o filho chora e a mãe não vê, porque se eu tivesse raspado o cachorro inteiro, eu não teria tido tudo isso de trabalho. Mas aqui a gente trabalha pra deixar o cão um gato. Agora eu tô fazendo um acabamento com a minha tesoura samurai e esse movimento é perigoso, entendeu? Então você, profissional de banho tosa, aprenda a dominar as tesouras. Porque a ideia é deixar o cachorro bonitão, não decepar um membro dele. No final das contas, fica um carequinha bonito. Que nem eu, né? Porque eu sou careca, tem que ser feio.
Rating my dogs hiding their faces.
No.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, Glasses. You right to jail.